Hi, Imran.
Hi, ma'am.
First, tell me about yourself.
Thank you, ma'am. My name is IMRAN. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I did my BTech in Newton Industrial Science and Technology in stream of Computer Science Engineering with 72%. I did my diploma in Sanjay Gandhi Polytechnic in stream of Computer Science Engineering with 74% in Karnataka. My SSC completed to Government High School with 7.7 CGP. I have a knowledge on Python, on Mainframe, HTML, CSS, and basic of JavaScript. I recently completed one internship as a front-end developer in William Solution, Hyderabad. I participate in national level hackathon, and my hobbies is learning the new technologies. These are about me. Would you like to know further details? I clearly share to you.
Okay, that's good. Okay, coming to the JCL, now we start the JCL modules
Okay, ma'am.
questions. First of all, what is JCL?
JCL is a job control language. It is one of the programming language. By using JCL, you can compile and execute the global program and utilities and procs. And JCL can be JCL convert the source code to binary codes and source code to object code to output. And every statement executed in a JCL we call as a job. It can be executed as a job.
Okay, and first we have some statements to write the JCL
Yes.
job. So what are the statements?
Actually, there are 8 statements and job code, exit statement, DD statement, pendant, proc, and null and set, and job lib.
Okay.
And in that we are using a mandatory statements. That there are 3: job code name, and exit statement, and DD name.
Okay, that is a mandatory. Okay, yeah. You said DD, exit, and job is mandatory.
Yes.
And null is also is there one of the statements.
Yes, null.
So what is a null?
Null, it is one of the statement. By using null, we can terminate the particular statement.
Okay. So null is not mandatory for every job.
It is not mandatory for every job. If you depend upon the requirement, if you would you like to no need to we have a multiple statement. At that time, I don't want to execute a particular step. At that time, you assign the null indicators, or the job will be terminated.
Okay. And what is a utility?
It is a utility which is a predefined program, and by using utility, you can perform the particular task.
Okay. Explain me any one particular utility.
Yes.
That's your wish.
Okay. And IB General, it is one kind of IBM utility. By using this utility, can be copy the data from one PS data to another PS. And this utility having a two system defined DD names, that is a sysut1 and sysut2. Sysut1 is a DD name, DD input name. Sysut2 is a output name, DD output name.
Okay, by using IB channel.
Yes.
Okay, and you know the sort utility?
Yes, I know.
Yeah. What are the operations we done by using sort utility?
Sort utility, it is one kind of the IBM utility. This utility data can be arranged either ascending order, descending order. It can be copy the particular fields, and it can be remove the duplicates, and the duplicate we store in a particular files. It perform the many operation.
Okay. I want the copy the one file to the another file.
Yes.
So what is the condition for the sort utility?
Sort utility. Sort field is equal to copy. I mean, like only copy the one file to another.
Copy the one file to another file.
Another file. That is, you take a input file name or output file name. At the time we are writing condition means sort field is equal to copy. That's it.
Okay. And in JCL, how can you create the PS file?
In JCL, how can create the using some DD parameters.
Okay.
Those are DD and disp and DSNM, disp, data control block, space. By using these parameters, you can create the PS file manually using JCL.
Okay. What is the disk parameters?
Disk parameters. Disk is a specified type of specify the status of the data set.
Okay.
This syntax is disk is equal to status, normal disposition, abnormal disposition. Status having a 4 values, parameters, and new and mod and old and share. And abnormal disposition having a catalog, uncatalog, delete, keep and pause. And abnormal disposition also same only.
Okay. Yeah, normal and abnormal are having same thing.
Same.
Okay. If you want to delete that PS file, what are the disk parameters?
Okay, at that time DSL name is equal to file name, and the coming to the disk old delete comma delete.
Okay. Already have the existing file is there.
So
that time what we use the disk
so that time I'm saying already existing file is there now. At that time that existing file name and coming DS name is equal to existing file name, and coming to the disk parameter, disk is equal to old and old comma delete. Old is the status, delete is a normal disposition, and another delete is a abnormal disposition.
Okay, that's it.
And old is already specified the existing file. Coming to the abnormal disposition, delete is specify the data set in inactive stage. Coming to abnormal disposition also, delete is specify the data set in inactive stage.
Okay. And for job code we have the keyword parameters as well as position parameters.
Yes.
For job code, what are the keyword parameters?
Job code keyword parameters, there are actually more than 20. There mandatory parameters are maybe 10 or 8 or 10. Those are class and message level, and priority, notified, time, reason, message level, type run. These are all keyword parameters. Job code keyword parameters.
What is the notified parameter?
Notified, this is one of the keyword parameter. Notify, send the notification to the user about the status of the job, the successful running or not, it is executed or not, through the job code, through the user ID or authorized person particular mainframe ID.
What are the IDs for notify?
Notify is equal to on-prem symbol UID.
Okay. For that, what is the status for that?
So status for that means that job is successfully running or not. That when you get the max is equal to 0, the job is successfully, and when you get the max equal to 4, that is it indicates the some warnings are there, but job is successfully executed. If you get the max equal to 8 to 4096, at that time that means our job is unsuccessful.
Okay.
Not executed.
For notify we have the two values, that is ampersand sys-UID and user ID. What is the difference between both?
Ampersand sys-ID means user ID or sys-ID.
Sys-UID and user ID.
User ID means sys-UID. User ID means I don't want to check the status of the job. So the status of the job check this. I mean it gives the particular other person. Means the job will be. I mean on another person ID will be here mentioned. At the time this job will be send notification to that person, particular person.
Which
means corresponding person ID. If you give the sys-UID, that job notification to the owner of the programmer.
Okay. And coming to the exit statements, what are the position parameters for the exit statement?
Exit position parameters on time and reason. Cond is nothing but a condition, and POM.
Okay. Yeah, what is POM?
POM, it is one of the exit keyword parameter. By using POM, you can pass the data from JCL to COBOL within 100 character. If you want to pass more than 100 character, at the time we are using sysin DD star.
Okay.
More than 100 character.
We will write the POM parameters like POM values.
I didn't get.
We will write the POM
exit statement behind the exit statement. Beside the exit statement.
Okay. How can you access the POM values to the job?
How can you access the POM value to the job? Actually, means POM is a transferring the data JCL to COBOL. So at that time we are using files. So at that time under sysin DD statement, it will be accessed.
Link section POM values.
I mean we are writing a linkage section.
The next is okay. Coming to the utilities. What is the use of IB edit?
IB edit. IB edit is one kind of the IBM utility. This utility is a setup JCL statement can one job statement can be executed with the help of the another job. It can be executed steps randomly. In that we are using one of the predefined function or the keyword. We call it as any the keyword int int rdr. By using this parameter, it will be read the are present in the what are the steps are present in the second JCL.
Okay. What is the syntax for that?
Edit type equal to condition or include the that is a include condition, whatever the depend upon the requirement. We are using the include or exclude and comma and step name.
Okay. And what is the refer back?
Refer back. It is a refer back is a copy the attribute of the existing input file to the new output file.
Okay, what is the syntax for that?
Syntax data control block equal to DCB equal to star comma star dot step dot step name dot dd name.
Okay. Have the one requirement like that. Have the multiple input files.
Okay, multiple input
I
files.
want to store all the input files into the one file.
Okay.
It means output file.
Output file.
Which utilities we are using for this requirement? We get the output.
See, we call it as it is a one concatenation. Okay, concatenation. So we can using by using sort utility also we can copy the multiple data into the from the one single output file. Sort utility.
Without any utilities.
Okay, we can done. IB general also it happen.
Okay. What is the difference between that and this? Means IB general and sort.
Means okay.
What is the different?
Means if you see. If you are using multiple files, means it can by using IB general, it can be copy the multiple input files into the one single file, and overall data will be copied to the one file. But coming to the sort utility, we can copy the particular records only, and a particular starting position to ending position. We can copy the multiple.
I want all the data, not particular.
At the time, both working, both the same function is done.
Both are same. Nothing is different. What is the difference? But replacing of the sort utility, we can use IB general. Now, why are you using the sort utility?
So the sort utility is compared to and same function is done, but sort utility providing some more operation, providing more operation.
Okay. Understand. Okay. And the next is what is a work file?
Okay. Work file, it is in work file mainly we are using in a sort utility, because in sort utility only we are using sysout. Actually other utilities we are using only sysprint only. So coming to the sort utilities, at that time we are using sysout. Sysout means at that time when you are using sysout, at the time work file will be created. Whatever data we are passing one input file to the output file, that input data copy into the work file, that at the time of execution after copying it will be arranging the depend upon the condition either as ascending order or descending order. After copying the or ascending or descending order, the data will be move to the output file.
Okay. Yeah. And the next is what is a proc?
Proc, it is a it is a one of the statement. Proc can be set up executable statement can be reused in multiple times. There are two types: extreme proc and catalog proc. Extreme proc is a set of JCL executable statement can be defined in between proc and print. And catalog, coming to the catalog proc, it can be a set of JCL executable statement can be written in another PDS member and executed in another JCL.
Okay, what is the difference between them?
So in that setup JCL statement can be written in a single job only in between proc and pend. And coming to the catalog product, we are writing executable statement writing in another PDS member, but executed in another JCL. And in that pend is required, and coming to the catalog product, pend is not required. Here here in stream proc is we are not going to use a JCL lib order. In that using JCL lib, it is only 15 times executed. More than 15 times will be executed here.
Oh yeah, you said a JCL lib. So what is a JCL lib?
While doing a function on a catalog product, at that time we are using a JCL lib. How means we are set up JCL execute statement can determine another PDS now. So that PDS we need to call that PDS name. At that time we are using we calling through JCL lib order.
What is syntax for that JCL?
Step name, JCL step name, JCL lib order is equal to PDS name of member name.
Okay. Yeah. In the job code, we have the keyword parameters is there.
Yes.
Like what are they?
Job code keyword parameters.
Yeah.
Job code keyword parameters class and message level, message class, type run, time region, priority. These are keyword parameters.
Okay. What is the message class function?
Message class is one of the job keyword parameter. It specifies the output device where you have to send the job message or JCL message. It range from 0 to 9 and A to Z, and A specify the printer, and X specify the spool, S specify the SAR.
Okay. And here the overriding concept?
Yes or no?
What is overriding?
Overriding, it is replacing the existing parameter value into the new parameter values. There are two types: normal overriding and symbolic overriding. Normal overriding classified again three types: exec overriding and DD overriding, file overriding.
Okay. What is file overriding?
File overriding means when you are going to use a file overriding, it replaces the existing file into new file.
Okay. And what is symbolic overriding?
Symbolic overriding, it is a different overriding. In symbolic overriding, we are using in a only catalog proc only. It can be done with the help of the symbol of ampersand. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay.
It can be replace the data set of qualifier and parameters.
Okay. What is temporary data set?
Temporary data set, we are going to create it at the time. Temporary data set we are going to create during the execution job. Main purpose of temporary data set is intermediate file processing. The data will be available with the execution of the file. After the file or job execution, the data will be automatically deleted. We are proceeding temporary data set double ampersand with file name.
What is the attributes for that?
New and pass.
Okay. What is a control card? Where we use?
Control card. It is one of the job keyword parameter as well as exec statement keyword parameter. But this is it is a control. We can call as a conditional parameters. We are using as a job keyword parameter as well as a exec keyword parameter. When you it having some properties. These are comparison code and the relation code and the return type. Comparison code is range from 0 to 4096, and relation codes is specify the equal to, not equal to, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. And type run, coming to type run
this comes under in the conditions, not control cards.
Condition. What was?
I'm asking control card.
Control card.
Where we use, why we use.
control card, it is a data can be passed, instant data can be passed to the OS proc. Actually it is not possible to pass the instant data to OS proc.
Which utility we use in
Sort utility. So actually it is catalog card can be done in a only catalog. Control card can be function can be done only catalog proc. So in actually other catalog proc will be moving one file data into the another file. It can be it normally manually happen, but coming to the when you are going to use the sort utility, at that time we cannot pass the data from one file to another file. At that time we are using the logic will be writing another PDS member. That PDS member name will be assigned into the sysyn dd dd is equal to PDS name of PDS name and member name.
PDS name of
control card.
Okay. Have the requirement in the job have the 15 steps.
15 steps.
Yeah. I want only 4 and 5. I'm not execute that 2 steps.
Okay.
Remaining all are will be executed. What is the condition for that?
At that time, we are using the condition parameter. So we no need to want to execute 4 and 5. At that time the condition will be the statement we need to give a condition equal to 0, 0.
I don't want to execute 4 and 5
Yes,
statements. Remaining all I want.
At the time 0, 0 LE. At the LE means the statement is specify the condition equal to 0, 0 LE means specify the file will be bypassed. That means the step will be terminated.
Okay, that's the condition. Okay. For suppose condition is having a step as well as job.
Okay.
So which is first executed?
Means first priority goes to one exec statement only, exec keyword parameter.
Okay.